Hi everybody, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts, and I am going to show you how to do a triple or treble crochet. So the first thing you want to do is get your crochet or your yarn on your crochet hook, and then we are going to chain 8. All right. Then to start your triple crochet, you are going to triple crochet in the 5th chain from the hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right in this stitch right here. So yarn over 2 times, go into the 5th chain from the hook, you yarn over and pull through. Then you are going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. All right, so around the hook 2 times, go into your next chain, and then you are going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you yarn over 2 times, go into the chain, then you yarn over, pull that through, and then you are going to yarn over, pull through 2 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. All right, we'll do one more. This is the last one. Okay, and that is our first row of triple crochet. So then to start the next row, you are going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is going to count as your first treble crochet. See how these line up right here? You do not want to crochet into this first one here. You are going to do it into this one. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, make sure you go underneath both these loops, yarn over and pull through. And then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2 3 times. And there's your next treble. All right, so yarn over twice, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through 2 3 times. And there's your next one. All right, so now if you look at the stitches that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we only have 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top. So this next one's a little bit tricky. You are actually going to put a treble crochet in the chain right here. So yarn over twice, and right here in this chain, you're gonna poke through, yarn over, and pull through. All right, so now you have all your stitches. They all line up. You have 5 on the bottom, 5 on top. So remember, next row, you always chain up 4. Okay, and then you are not going to go in this one because you want to keep your line straight. You're going to treble in here, here, in this stitch, and then in the chain. And that is how you do a triple or treble crochet.